Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered, I'm back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sma. Uzoshutha akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami. No, manje
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Alright, we are waiting for our couple that we saw on the other side and we came around, of course, to destroy. We do nothing else, lovies. Where are they? Oh, goodness. They're coming. They are coming. Amazing. Perfect. Hi, guys. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
I'm good. I'm Lisa. I go around asking couples questions. Would you be okay with that for my YouTube channel?
Okay.
It's fine.
I think it's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, can we come this way? We just want good lighting.
Ask incriminating questions.
No, we won't. We won't. Name, please?
My name is Junior Ndlovu.
Junior Ndlovu and
Uzongi Mchonji.
Zongi.
Zongi.
Nice name.
Nice name.
Oh, really? How long have you been with your man, Pussy Lady? Please stand here, love you on my left.
we've been
Okay,
together
yeah.
for,
On my right, sir, yeah.
2.5 years. 2.5 years. Zakhumbula.
The way you guys met or what?
Uba sisijole for how long?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
Is it 2.5 years? Oh, you're gonna be age. Is it 2.5 years?
2 years.
2 years, not 2.5.
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
Yeah.
All right. And what is it that you like about her?
Uthandani ngam?
Ngithanda kuba nguye kwakhe. Kuba nguye kwakhe, ufriendly.
Yes.
Yeah,
She is friendly, I agree.
Yeah, ufriendly, ungumuntu wabantu, umuntu.
Okay.
Into engimthanda ngayo.
All right.
Ngiyathola.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I see it.
Muhle unenhliziyo enhle.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Ngiyamthanda.
I hear you.
Yes.
And then you, my lady, what do you like about him?
Responsible.
Okay.
Responsible. I tend to be a little sometimes. Puts me in order.
Okay.
And he's dependable.
He's dependable.
Umuntu and uba if ngisengxakini shemai ukhona and be friends more than anything else.
I think that's very important.
Yeah.
It's very important to be friends first.
Oh, definitely.
And you know, nah?
Yeah, siyazwana.
I think in that situation when you're friends first, even the breakups are not humiliating because your person respects you.
Oh, no, definitely for me.
The breakups are not embarrassing.
Yes, my darling.
Yeah, so it's good to be friends first.
You've got to be friends first.
Yeah.
Because if anything, you gotta get along.
Yes, of course.
Because if it's all about the love, man, life goes away.
Respect and
longevity.
Nyansi, you're teaching me a lot. Okay, but how much do you trust him though? From a scale of 1 to 10.
For me, trust is quite a big thing. But then needs to be. I need to trust him. I have to trust him because for my sanity, peace of mind. Gotta trust what he says. Yonke into will be on his conscience.
Yes, I hear you. Okay, what about you? Do you trust her?
Yeah, ngiyamthemba ngempilo yami yonke.
Oh, sana.
Yeah.
Really?
Ngiyamthemba ngempilo yami yonke, angeke eze engiphoxe. Ngithanda ngempilo yami yonke.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you know what? Let's put that trust to the test, right? We do a loyalty test on the show.
Okay.
right? Where we make couples switch phones.
Switch phones.
Yes. Switch phones, yes. Would you be willing?
Uthini?
Uthini umfana.
Yini tata?
Uthini umfana utatakhe.
Uba.
Would you want to switch your phones?
Sishintshe.
Yeah, sisitshintshe ifoni. Mina ngiyazithemba.
Okay. Okay. Zonke.
Nawe mawuzithemba.
Hayi zonke.
Singatshintsha ngalokho ifoni nakho ngxaki.
Zonke. Okay.
Ithi mawungafihli into ngicela ke sitshintshe ifoni.
Kodwa uyakhumbula into yoba umsebenzi wami ndisebenza nabantu besilisa abaninzi ke. Ndiyakwazi nansi ifoni.
Kaloku but I flattise zonke.
It's not flirtatious at all.
Oh, I flattise. Okay, let's open your phone, eh? This is yours, right?
Yeah.
Can I just have your passcode or password or whatever?
Can I? Zonixelela. Ngibona.
All right, is that it? Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Lovey. Go to his WhatsApp, ne?
Go to your WhatsApp.
Yeah, go WhatsApp.
Ndizawuleqa ke amagama amantombazana.
You might search pa Lovey at the top search. Okay, search I love you. Just type the I love you. That's you, Miss Zongi, at the top there.
Yeah. Oh, hey, besendibona I love you apha ngiqoma ngubani.
It's you!
Okay.
Space, can we please have space? Thank you.
Amanda. Amanda.
Who's
Amanda.
Amanda ngusistira wami.
Then why don't you know Amanda if you've been together for 2 years?
Sise wakho mphingo akangibaliseli ngalo Amanda mos.
Awumazi. Usistira wami like cousin wami yabo.
Hayi.
Nginama cousins amaningi amanye awazi yabo.
Oh.
Hayi, go into the chat, go into Amanda.
Come again, Vun.
Can we have space,
Amanda.
Navi?
Yeah.
No. Uyayuruza wena.
Khawume
Uyayuruza wena.
Ngiyayuruza.
Uyayuruza
Uthi
wena. No.
Uthini Amanda ngwapha?
Hey, sibona izinto apha.
Okay.
Sibona izinto apha no.
The message it was 2 days back mos.
Yeah.
Ngoba ubuthe uyaphi? Ubuthe uya
This is your girlfriend when? Or side chick or something?
I'm uncomfortable with this, Kebut. And yazi
akuyona girlfriend yami le.
Kwa unto ukuba undixelele ngoku. Utheni igama?
Sikhulumisana njalo sidlalisana kanjani.
Do you want to call her? You want to call Amanda and ask? Can we call her?
Ngamfonela?
Yeah, ungamfonela ngina stress.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm stressed. I'm stressed.
Ngeke ngize ngikuchithele sithando sami ngiyakuthanda ngenhliziyo yami.
Hayi kaloku kufuneka ungixelele kwenza ntoni. Utheni uzoba ifamily ezawuvela ngoku apha estratweni. Sisters.
I can't enjoy. Nama ndiyiva. Hold this phone, Lovey. Okay.
Sikubonile konke manje.
We need to call Amanda. You said your name was?
My name is Junior.
Junior, dear.
Go tell Amanda.
Hi, Amanda.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, Peter and John.
I'm good. Do you know Junior?
Yes.
What's Junior to you?
He's my boyfriend.
Huh?
Boyfriend, yeah.
Hayi mamela ke SCC. This is lo ahlala naye. We've been living together for 2.5 years. Boyfriend kanjani nidibana nini phi? Kanjani?
Ngitholane naye mangiphuma esikoleni.
Sayingane yesikole wena.
Junior.
Okay.
How long have you been together?
It's 2 years now.
Yeah. Oh, Junior. It's not funny. Why are you laughing?
2 years now 2.5 years.
Ngiyazingibambile sithando sami ngiyaxolisa ngicela ungixolele.
Do you want to talk to your actual girlfriend? Amanda?
My pen.
Ngiyacela silungise.
Amanda, here's Junior.
Mlahle.
Endaweni.
Ngicela mlahle.
Nkonzo kanani?
Amanda ngiyaxolisa ne. Ngiyaxolisa ngilomfazi nginomfazi engihlala naye ngiyaxolisa.
mina akazongitshela le nto leyo ungangitsheli lodwa.
Ya ngiyazi angikaze ngikutshele mara ngiyaxolisa sengibanjiwe.
Why ungezi namhlanje uzongibona bese uzongitshela kahle le nto lo ngitshela yona.
Angisafuni because unkosikazi wami angifuni umuzi wami udilike yabo.
After yonke into mina ngiyakusherela imali yami eNSFAS kanti uyazi ukuthi wenzani nomfazi wakho.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Junior.
Ngixolele ne.
Ngizongikwazi.
Ngeke ngize ngishiye umfazi wami phela ngisiza kuwe yabo. Umfazi wami kudala nginaye. Kudala nginaye umfazi wami.
Uzenza into engasebenzi kanti uyazi wena.
Hayi ngiyacela siyiqede lapha.
Hayi.
Hayi Amanda, lahleka Amanda, lahleka.
Singabe sisafonelana yabo. Uzoxabanisa nonkosikazi wami.
Okay, Amanda asisi khama kancinci. Ndiyabona ngathi uyayidonsa le.
Andakalahleki.
Uyalahlwa. Akasakufuni ne uhamba nami. Into I don't ever want to smell you. Ndiyakublocka ngoku. Ufuna mina xa uphinda ube lapha kule phone ufuna mina yaziva? Bye bye. Awusafuneka apha man.
Ngiyaxolisa sithemba sami. Ngicela ngixolele.
Uyabona?
Ifone block.
Uyabona?
Maka block.
Ngiyabona.
I'm sorry. Yeah, Junior, what's funny, Junior?
Uzawulala phi nje behleka nje?
Ngiyaxolisa.
Sorry.
You sorry? Block.
Sengimblokile.
Uba nefone etatazela.
Sengimblokile.
Blocking?
Ya sengimblokile.
Lovey, please come this side.
Bona andazi ngoba ndime phi.
But how are you feeling?
Uyangithembisa uzongixolela.
Hayi andiyithetha apha loo nto thatha endlini.
Ngomsoto wathi endlini.
Hayi ngizothetha endlini. Hayi into ethayisayo ngalungile.
Estratweni. But 2 years yonke.
Kodwa ke ungayenza kanjani kanti lonke lixesha icace into yoba xa 2.5 years kuyo yonke ixesha senza into i-fight and set wena ubhizi emacaleni.
Ngiyazwisisa sithandwa sami mara bengithi ngiyajontsha nami njengamadoda.
Njengamadoda onke. Andisoyiki yo. Oh, after God fear men.
Hayi ndiyabulela sisters.
After God fear men.
Benzayifumana kanjani le
Because Sana, I hope you clean because you have to check your phone as well. So check jonga yakho.
Hayi kaloku hayi nansi phone mani nakwanto ke mna ke.
We'll see.
And is right.
Oh, sorry, love, it's this way. Okay. Okay. Type again. Type I love you, ne?
Okay.
Spell space.
Yenze njani so?
Yes. That's you, Miss Junior, ne? Okay. Wait. Yeah, we look I love ngoku, so you're already showing. Okay. Delete that, ne?
So.
Yes.
Okay.
That's you, Miss.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Delete, it's fine. Look, we're trying to find out who she says I love you too and stuff.
You're not gonna find nothing. I'm clean.
Delete. Type now I miss you.
Okay. I miss you.
That's humorous again. Okay, there's nothing else. Delete. Type standwa.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Adamant. I know
Okay.
myself. That's
Okay.
Sam.
Oh, that's you again. Yeah. Okay, delete. Hey, son. Your girl is loyal.
Told ya.
Yeah.
Okay, type babe. You again.
B.
Okay, delete.
I told you.
Son, type pregnant. We don't know.
We're not gonna find anything there. I'm telling you. You are not finding anything there.
We hope not. Pregnant, no?
Yeah. Really?
Yeah. Nothing. Okay, delete that.
Maybe if you type Donald Trump, who's of it?
Oh wow.
Type over.
Type outside. you again. Your woman is loyal. How do you feel being a cheater and her being loyal?
Ngizizwa ngijabulile ukuthi umfazi wami uyangihlonipha.
Oh, but you wena umhloniphi.
Ngiyamhlonipha kube liphutha nje.
For 2 years, Junior.
Ngitshele, yabona.
For 2 years, Junior.
Yeah, kube liphutha mara.
For 2 years.
Mara ngixolisile.
It's fine. You guys will sort it out at home. If your woman is not angry, I've got no business being angry, right? So you guys will sort it out at home.
For sure we at home because I know uba siphila kanjani and umntu man macaleni, but then we're gonna have a lengthy discussion about this.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke hayi nisawuhlala naye wethu zama lento yethu.
Ulungisinto zomzi wakho.
Sizohlala silungise.
Yes.
Nawe sihleli phansi. Silungise umuzi wethu.
Okay, but you don't cheat again also.
Angeke never cheat.
At least you uzintshontshile and you've had enough now, right? It was a phase. So, yabo, you don't have to do it again.
Now.
And yes, I agree.
Babe.
Yes, please. Okay, guys. That was peaceful. You guys are so mature.
All right, okay.
You guys can leave.
Let me hug him.
Okay.
Forgiven.
Already, you guys haven't had the discussion.
Dangling.
Okay. No, guys, thank you so much for your time.
Okay.
I'll put this up on my show. I hope you don't mind.
Yes, because I'm not the paid one here.
Okay, so he can. Okay, of course. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You guys can
People
go
are gonna
about your
get divorced
business.
because of you.
I'm sorry. And that's all I can say. I'm sorry.
You're doing a good job exposing them. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, my lovey. Thank you so much, guys.
I'm beyond Nenga.
And was it flowers or something, Junior?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys. That was mature. That was too mature for my liking. What's happening? Are we forgiving cheaters now? But anyway, guys, do follow me on Instagram. I believe I've done my job here. My handle is Lisa Sirame _ See you later. Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Yaste Pebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo Ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima uzoshuta akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?